Your idea about this hanging decoration cloth is one nadi. Your idea about this bed, one nadi. Your idea about your friend, one nadi. Your idea about your spouse, one nadi. Your idea about your favorite food, one nadi. Like that 72,000 nadi you have in your conscious play. See, it's like that light reflects on me, and that reflection reflects. The reflection reflects is the nadis. And that reflection on this body is individual self. All of you are able to catch what I am saying? That example? Is it clear? The body is the mirror. The reflection is the individual soul. And that reflection also will be reflecting. Like a light. It will be radiating. That is what is nadi. Some nadis are spent in your attachment. Some nadis are spent in your detachment. Some nadis are spent in your fear. That's what is engrams. That is the engrams. Too many nadis, if they are entertained outside, then naturally more suffering, whether to live or to leave. Even while living, more suffering, or to leave, more suffering. But at least if 10,000 nadis is centered, yes. See, this is what, just a simple example. This is superconscious, this light is superconsciousness. Sun, this is the body. And here is a reflection of that light. You are able to see that light reflection? Not. Now, okay? See, this is what is depression. This is the expression. Huh? And now this reflection is falling on all of you guys. Are you able to see? This reflection is falling. This is what is 72,000 nadi. Now I have 10 nadi for this light. Means on 10 people it is reflecting. On how many information it is reflecting, that many nadis are extravert. You understand what I am saying? See, now this reflection, this is body, this is individual soul, that is cosmos, the superconsciousness. This reflection is falling on 10 people now. So this reflection, individual souls, 10 nadi is extravert. Means caught. In the 10, he may like 2, he may hate 2, he may be detached about 2. So the more nadis are functioning towards outside, more suffering for living or leaving. More nadis are looking at the source. For example, now I am turning. See, now he is enlightened. Now he is dead. Understand? Now he is dead. This is what is death. This is enlightenment. This is worldly life. And this is depression. Means little deflected. Depression. That's all. Whole life is this much only. What? Huh? No, theory is over. Practically you have to do. You can't go just by knowing. You need to go after doing. Huh? Yes. Means in that layer only you are caught too much. No, that will be very less. When you write down, it is intellectual remembrance. When you go in, it is an emotional boiling. In the emotion itself, see, intellectually when you think, oh, not having money is the worst thing, I'll die. But emotionally, suddenly when you go in, you may feel that is not that big, then losing your near and dear one. So intellectual remembrance and writing down will not always match up with your emotional engram level. It will not always match up. That is okay. That is okay. Means as far as your swadhisthana is concerned, death is concerned, no engram for you. No engram. It's only relief. So, understood about this mirror theory? Huh? Any doubt you guys have on this? Because today we'll work on it. Choiceless awareness. See, now there's a reflection. That reflection may be reflecting here for 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter. In the 2 by 2, when it goes out only 70,000 nerve. In the 2 by 2, I keep it in such a way, 1 by 1 reflects on you, 1 by 1 reflects on itself, to the source. That is what I call, even if 10,000 nadi gets centered on the source from who is seeing, from where it is reflecting, that is choiceless awareness. That's all is required, nothing else. I see, if you can change priority itself, then you don't even need to center 10,000 nadis. Just 2,000-3,000 nadi is enough. See, when I say 10,000 nadi, I wanted to equate to the time of day. I was telling you, see, modern day youth, at least 1 hour to 2 hours in your life, spend contemplating on the source from where you came. Means telling them to add only at least 1 or 2 hours for spirituality. As a time related only, I said 10,000. But if you think attitude of life itself you are interested in shifting, you don't need 10,000. Just 2,000 is enough. If your attitude itself is centered on who is reflecting, then while you are driving the car, you will be thinking about that only. Naturally, in your car only my music or my discourse will be getting played. That is what I am saying, ma. This is attitudinal shift. You see, if you go through the attitudinal shift, you don't need 2 hours. You don't need 2 hours. You just casually in your day, in your time, whenever you feel like happening, that is enough for you. That itself will make you the choiceless awareness centered. Anything else? Yes. But you chose it. See, it happens, true, but you decided to buy a ticket for flight and you decided to come to Bangalore and from there to come to Bidiji by taxi and from there you decided to go to Welcome Center, fill, pay and go and stay. All these movements you decided. That is what I am saying. The inside decision is made, so it all looks so simple, easy. Friend's house is never far away because the moment you decide to go there, the distance you travel, you will forget. Friend's house is always very close, even if it is thousands of miles away. The moment you decide to go, and after, the moment you see him, all the travel, all the effort, all the things which you did is forgotten. You see, half of you guys, not half of you, more than 70% of you guys have traveled half of the globe to be here around me. But you don't have pain about it. You don't even remember you did that. You understand? When you come back, the nadi ratio is exactly same how you left the body. That doesn't change. Okay? See, now this reflection. Let me see. The reflection. You guys are able to see? Reflection. That soul, the superconsciousness, God, individual soul, body, on which it is reflected, it's a world. For this soul, it's a world. And sometime that reflection is such, the world and the reflection of God, both is seen in this. That is what is Guru. I don't know whether you are able to catch. No, if somebody else is holding this mirror, if in the reflection, I am also seen. So I am telling that reflection, look back to your source. That's what I am saying. The person who is telling you to look at the source is source. If I am telling you to look at the source, I am telling you to look at me. Because I am the source, you see. So understand, when I say look at the source, because I realized I am the source, I am telling you to look at the source. That's all. I am clear.